Welcome to our review of the Master Massage Desktop Face Cradle Massage Kit. If you're in search of a portable massage solution that doesn't compromise on comfort or adjustability, then you're in the right place. This innovative massage kit is designed to cater to all your relaxation needs, whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go. Let's start with portability. Weighing just 4.8 pounds and featuring a foldable design, this kit is incredibly easy to transport. Whether you're a massage therapist looking to expand your services to off-site locations or simply someone who wants to enjoy a massage wherever they are, this kit has you covered. But portability isn't the only thing this kit offers. It's also highly adjustable, ensuring a comfortable experience for every user. The adjustable face cradle and removable face cushion allow you to customize the support to your liking. Plus, with detachable padded armrests and a chest pad cushion, you can truly sink into relaxation mode. One of the standout features of this kit is its versatility. It's compatible with any sleeping mattress between 3-inch to 17 thick, as well as any flat dining table or office desk. This means you can enjoy a massage virtually anywhere, without the need for specialized equipment. And let's not forget about the included luxury carrying case. Not only does it make transportation a breeze, but it also keeps your massage kit clean and protected during travels. It's the perfect companion for home, office, or even hospital visits. In terms of specifications, this kit boasts a lightweight aircraft aluminum frame, ensuring durability without added bulk. The Nader soft upholstery adds a touch of luxury, while the royal blue color adds a stylish flair. Overall, the Master Massage Desktop Face Cradle Massage Kit is a game-changer for anyone in need of on-the-go relaxation. With its portability, adjustability, and versatility, it's sure to become your go-to solution for all your massage needs. So why wait? Elevate your relaxation experience today with the Master Massage Desktop Face Cradle Massage Kit. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.